Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I want to show you a small but very annoying problem that almost everyone runs into when using Microsoft Word. You finish writing your document, everything looks fine, and then suddenly there's a blank page in the middle of or at the end that just won't disappear. Let me show you a few simple ways to get rid of those extra pages and keep your document clean and professional. So the first method will be go to the page right before the blank page. Place your cursor at the very end of the page and press backspace. So let's go and do that. So now we have here this at the end. So now press backspace. So if that doesn't work, click on the top of the empty page. So right here, not in header, but right over here, and press backspace again, and voila. Most of the time, this alone fixes the problem. So if the blank page is still there, it usually caused by hidden formatting. Go to the View tab at the top and turn on the navigation pane right here. If you see a blank page listed there, click on it and press delete button. So we can delete it this way, and now as you can see we have only 3 pages left. This works great when the page doesn't show clearly in normal view. So sometimes the issue comes from page breaks or section breaks. You can see, go to File, then the options right here. To the display, click the display. Turn on the options that shows formatting marks. So paragraph marks right here, I think. Yes, this one right here. Now you'll be able to see things like page breaks or extra paragraphs marks. Select them and you can press delete and the blank page should be gone. You can do that this way also, like so, and now it's gone. With these methods, you should be able to remove any unwanted blank pages in Word without any stress. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments that you subscribed, that I can personally thank you in comments. And I will see you in the next one.